Welcome. Today I will talk about opportunity and dream. Sometimes we have a dream and we have opportunities, but we think that we should do for big things. Doing big things, we often leave the things that we have. For example, if we are uh, going to do a business and we have some opportunity to start with a little, but we do not start with a little which we have. We think that we should make more and start with a big opportunity and big thing which all in all I want to say that we start to do a big thing when you have a little amount and you are just starting. So you should think about the little things by step by this is my hand palm. Okay, step by step you gradually grow up by one step and second step, not for the one time you have to go ahead. So kindly think about little steps, not a big step. If you have potential to do big thing, then you can do. If you don't have potential to do big, so you should think about little things. You should do with little steps. If you are doing with little steps, you will grow more. If you are thinking about high steps, you will never do a little thing. This is the natural phenomena. If you follow the natural phenomena, you can get success and you can get your dream and opportunity are related with each other. You can say these are sister and brothers. If you are thinking about dream, so you should think about opportunities. Think about your present condition. Think about your future. If your present is good, then your future would be better. If your present is good, your past will be fine. So think about the present condition. If you are thinking about present condition, you will be fine. If you are thinking about worst condition, that you have a dream and you want to be a good businessman or a entrepreneur or anything in life you are going to be. So you should work gradually, step by step, in little steps. You should work for and that in continuation determination you must be cured. If you are not thinking about determination, you are not going to succeed in life. Determination is very important. Without determination there is nothing. So think about determination and think about working daily. Without working daily you can't be succeed. There is a old saying, slow and steady wins. So think about slow and steady, not the shortcut. If you think you are a speedy man or woman, you're a speedy boy or girl, you can do much. So don't think so much. Do little by little, daily, gradually. If you want to work more, then work more. Don't think more. You should do or perform actions. Without action you do nothing. So first think about actions. Action can make you